Hello everyone, welcome to SUNYA IAS, and this is your environment test number 5, what to read and how to read video. So I hope that this weekend has been a little bit rejuvenating for you all guys, and you all have revised the first 4 tests of environment. So let's see what all we have to cover for the test number 5. The basic theme is that we'll be covering the entire rules and regulations, whatever are necessary for this year's prelims. And with respect to biodiversity, our focus would be on South India's biodiversity. All right. So these are the rules. Only one source you have to follow, right? Only the official PIB, right? Just type these, whatever rules are there, and ahead them on Google, type PIB, whatever are the important 9-10 points with respect to these rules. You just have to remember that, nothing else is important. So with respect to rules, we have to cover solid waste management rules 2016, green highway policy 2015, e-waste management rules 2016, biomedical waste management rules, then plastic waste management rules of 2016, hazardous waste management rules, wetland conservation and management rules. This has been a previous question as well. Then BS rules with respect to the motor vehicles and the comparison between all the BS4 and BS6, that what was the implementation date, what all we bypass, right? And what are the various emission norms, like TREM emission norms related to heavy vehicles and all. Then with respect to then the next topic, that is the thermal power plant regulations. You have to do the fly ash regulation as well, that what are the specific state rules, what are the price being fixed, what is the particular area that has been fixed. Then the EPR rules, कौन से एक्ट में इंट्रोड्यूस हुए थे, and which act gives them power, which all acts are covered under them. Then we will be moving on to the marine plastic pollution, do the national initiatives as well as the international initiatives and the conventions with respect to that. ठीक है जी. Then we have to move on to the e-vehicles regulation, then natural gas regulation, disaster management regulation, what all are the initiatives and the agencies responsible for it. Then we will be moving on to the deep sea mining regulation, both international and the national perspective. And then with respect to the national oil spill disaster contingency plan, इसका जो भी हमारे आज तक के with respect to the history, whatever the famous oil spills are there, उनका एक tabular format बना के रट लीजिएगा. ठीक है, चलो. Then if we talk about the mapping, we have 4 biosphere reserves with respect to this test mapping. That is the Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve, Augusta Malay Biosphere Reserve, Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. With respect to the Biosphere Reserve, you all know now what all we have to do. We have to do all the lakes, the national parks, the wildlife sanctuaries, the endemic species to these particular parks. Okay, then all the rivers going through there, and the important tribes, what is their biome, okay, and the particular time of climate, etc., which is found over there. Okay, so these all are to be done with respect to this test. All right, so prepare well, all the very best. See you guys in the next class. Thank you so much.